I was not going to make this video, but my sister's hair transformation got me so excited that I just had to share it with you. She's been doing the gelatin trick for a few weeks now, and the difference is pretty noticeable. Her hair looks thicker and healthier, with way less breakage. At first, I thought it was just a coincidence, but the more I learned about the gelatin trick, the more it made sense. It's all about nourishing your body from the inside out, and that includes your hair. Apparently, the gelatin trick helps to strengthen your hair follicles, which can lead to faster hair growth and even improve the overall texture of your hair. My sister's been taking gelatin every morning, mixed with some warm water and a squeeze of lemon, and she swears by the gelatin trick for her new hair growth. I've even started doing the gelatin trick myself, and while it's still early days, I'm already noticing a bit of a difference. If you want to try the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for more information, and take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips to get you started. To start seeing the benefits of the gelatin trick, simply click the link and begin your journey to thicker, healthier hair.